have entered the prep zone tonight. Boys basketball, yes, basketball starts tonight. First game of the season, the Sophie B. Wright Warriors under head coach James Bertrand come to Pearl River to take on the Pearl River Rebels. First year coach Aaron Dunklin. We got two coaches. First time they're seeing each other. Kids are together. There's the excitement of that first game. It's a non-district matchup. Sophie B. Wright at Pearl River. Pre-game with Coach Aaron Dunklin, Pearl River coach. What do you've had a chance to practice this team and get them going. What do you think you're going to need tonight to get a victory?
Well, what we want to do is just focus on playing our game, try to execute as much as we can as far as emotional offense is concerned. Defensively, be in a stance, play hard, get out there and compete. And we know it's a progression, and we're going to try to get better every game. That's what we try to do.
You've had some time, preseason scrimmages to get ready. This is going to be the first game of the year. What have you seen so far from your team that indicates that they're heading the right direction?
Well, we're making progress. They're being coachable. They're trying to make the adjustments as they go. Me being a new coach, they're learning me, I'm learning them. So it's a gradual progression. We know it's not going to happen overnight, but if we continue to work together and do it together, I think we'll see success.
Pre-game with Coach James Bertrand, Sophie B. Wright, the Warriors. Tell us about what you're expecting from your team this year.
Well, you know, we're young. We're young. We have two guys returning from last year. And I'm expecting pretty good things, you know. The guys have been working hard, and I'm expecting them to give us all they got.
Tonight you play Pearl River. Have you played this team before? You know anything about them?
Actually, this is my first time actually playing Pearl River, actually seeing Pearl River. But I've heard they're well coached, and they're going to be a tough contest tonight.
What are you going to be looking for from your team that will indicate you know you're going to get a victory?
If I knew that, I'll go play the lottery. Nah, you know what? I'm looking for hard work. This is the beginning of the year. You know, football season is still kind of going on. And I'm just looking for the guy. I got a lot of guys come back from football. I'm just looking for them to get their legs wet. It's not a race. It's a marathon. I tell them all the time. I'm just looking for them to give me good work.
Sophie Wright versus Pearl River, and the tap on the jump goes to the Rebels. Pressure right away defensively by the Warriors. That one's going to go out of bounds. Ball inbound by Jerome Perkins to Nelson. Perkins gets it back and sets the offense. Good ball movement here. Man-to-man, pump fake, driving lane, kick it back out. Three-point attempt from Dickerson, no good. Rebound put back up by Nelson, no good. Pearl River gonna push the issue the other way. Pull-up jumper by Calhoun goes down. 2-0 Pearl River. Three-point attempt off the mark by Dickerson. Calhoun gets it and is going to push it up. No lack of activity as both teams have been up and down the court here early. Man-to-man pressure, that's a turnover. And we're going to have our first timeout of the season. 6:49 to go, first quarter. Pearl River 2, Sophie B. Wright 0. Jerome Perkins to inbound to Charles Dickerson, and Dickerson's going to bring it up. Nelson, Oates, Johnson driving, kick out, Dickerson again, front rim, no good, but out off of Dylan Swallow. Warriors to inbound. Layup off the glass by Kevin Johnson. Nice inbound play, ties it up at 2. Calhoun, as Warriors have switched to a zone. Taylor, A.J. Taylor at the top. We have timeout. Coach Dunklin wants to talk it over. 6:14 to go first quarter. 2-2, Sophie Wright and Pearl River. Eric Durnan to inbound after the timeout. Taylor going to drive in the lane, puts up a shot and draws the foul. Taylor went off the glass with the shot, but we've got a push, and we're going to shoot 2. Taylor misses on the first. He will get a second. That one in and out, no good. Big rebound from Kevin Johnson. Quickly the other way, Warriors. That one knocked out of bounds. Perkins to inbound. Dickerson inside. Johnson puts up a shot off the glass, and it's 4-2. Taylor down the lane, throws it up off the backboard, and quickly the other way, Oates puts up a shot, and Kevin Johnson follows. Johnson with 6, all 6 of his team's points, and the Warriors are up 6-2 first quarter. Swallow under pressure, goes cross court. Taylor, drive, kick out. That shot's going to be off the mark. Rebound, Swallow, back out to Calhoun, off the mark. And the ball comes down to rest in Antoine Oates' hands. And Perkins will walk it up. Dickerson. Charles Dickerson. Rebound by Durnan. Dickerson, that's about his 3rd three-pointer here early in the game, has yet to find the distance. That pass inside, Durnan lays it off, no good. Rebound, Kevin Johnson. Oates, left side, Perkins. Dickerson, off the mark again, rebound, Durnan again. Taylor. Swallow, Calhoun. Swallow. Calhoun. Colgan drops it inside. And Colgan looks like it caught his finger straight on. We have some substitutions. Al Doth checks in. Coach Bertrand sends a few more players out there to get some break. Turnaround jump shot from Doth, no good. And a steal by Swallow. Quickly the other way, back out. Calhoun driving, going to kick it back out. No one's there. Taylor not really in the zip code that time. Oates to inbound. And Oates will take the point. Robinson to Johnson, Linnell Johnson. That one knocked away momentarily by Swallow. And then we have a back court call. So they'll be inbound. Doth will inbound it. A.J. Taylor will take the point. Back to Doth. Durnan in the lane, pull-up jumper at the foul line, knocks it down. 6-4. Warriors still up over the Rebels. Oates, Linnell Johnson right here. Making a move, gonna lay it off the glass, good. Kevin Johnson's got 6 and Linnell Johnson's got 2. 8 for the Warriors. And we have a whistle. Jerome Perkins is gonna check back in, and we're gonna have Antoine Oates called for the foul, and Al Doth will inbound it. Swallow. This one dumped down and then back in. Walker. A.J. Taylor now. Durnan. Doth. Cross court. Stolen by Robinson. Quickly up court. Layup to Linnell Johnson, but he's fouled. It'll be a 2-shot foul and a chance for the Warriors to add on to their lead. Linnell Johnson at the line. Makes the first, he'll get a second. One for 2 on that trip to the line for Johnson. 9-4 Warriors. Taylor momentarily loses control. Doth with a jumper on the left side. Rebound ends up with Pearl River. That shot from Swallow off the mark, and Kevin Johnson with the rebound. Perkins off the screen, down the lane, dumps it off. That shot off the mark from Philip Bertrand. And we have a timeout, 1:40 to go in the first quarter. 9-4, Sophie B. Wright over Pearl River. Doth inbounds after the timeout to Taylor. Back to Doth. Swallow driving. Doth. Durnan. Taylor in the lane, layup, and we got a blocking foul. Taylor will go to the line. He is 0 for 2 so far this evening from the charity stripe. Make that 1 for 3. Coach Bertrand with some multiple substitutions. First game of the year, making sure everybody's got their feet underneath them. Taylor, second shot, no good. 1 for 4 on the evening. 9-5, Sophie B. Wright. Layup, that one's off the mark. Put back by Marvin Nelson is good. 11-5 Warriors. Al Doth. Calhoun, long shot from downtown from A.J. Taylor. Good for 3. That shot, good for 3 as the teams trade three-pointers here late in the first quarter. Down to 30 seconds to go. Taylor in the lane, gonna be fouled. Reach in, number 24, Jerome Perkins, called for that one. Ball to be inbound by Pearl River. Calhoun. Taylor. Al Doth comes over. They dump it down inside, stolen, and a whistle. A reach in. A.J. Taylor called for the foul. 14-8 the score. 17.5 seconds to go, first quarter. Perkins playing for one right here. Perkins down the lane, dishes it out, over, shot off the glass. Marvin Nelson. Nelson ends the quarter with 8, and his team has 17 as it's Sophie B. Wright 17, Pearl River 8 after one quarter.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports. Fine arts. And learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Second quarter underway. Walker's inbound pass. Calhoun, long three-pointer, no good. Rebound, Dickerson. Charles Dickerson gonna bring it up. Here we go. One from downtown from Marvin Nelson, who hit 2 late in the first from three-point line, misses that time. Good ball movement right now, and that was knocked out of bounds by Perkins. Walker inbound, and we got backcourt called right there. Oates inbounds to Perkins. Perkins blocked, and that one blocked. Walker on the block, quickly the other way. Swallow dumps it off to Walker. Jamerson Walker with a couple of blocks on one end, runs the court well, gets the layup, and the Warriors lead is at 7. Drive, layup miss, put back miss. Kevin Johnson does not miss. Johnson's got 8 out of their 19 and back to a 9-point lead now for the Warriors. Stolen. Layup is good from Antoine Oates. You could maybe heard in the background Coach Bertrand, easy, easy. Means make sure you get it down. Don't squander the opportunity. No immediate danger. Doth driving, jump step, shot, no good. Rebound, Dickerson bringing it up, left side. Dickerson, that one's going to come off the mark and be short. A.J. Taylor with the rebound of the air ball. Swallow, double team, loose ball, scramble. Taylor some kind of way comes up with it. That's a walk. Jamerson Walker. The Walker took a walk right there. Dickerson inbounds to Perkins. Good steal by Moore right there, Chandler Moore. Taylor. Swallow, Moore, Walker. Little weave going on. Doth open inside, not passed to. Doth saves it. Rebounds back off of Walker's hands. Taylor long shot. Standing still. Walker knocks it back out. Swallow gets it. Taylor. Layup from Dickerson. Gonna count it. So Dickerson will go to the line after his first points, make it 23-10, a chance to add to that. Dickerson off the mark, rebound to Doth. Jamerson Walker brings it up. That one blocked by Kevin Johnson. Brought inside, back out. Swallow shot off the mark. Johnson with the rebound. 23-10 now, Warriors. 4 minutes to go, first half. Loose ball. Taylor comes up with it. That was a kick, not called. Layup, and we're going to call a blocking. Charles Dickerson will go to the line. Dickerson. Misses. Quickly the other way, shot up, no good, no whistle till just now. And we're gonna have a technical foul has been called on slapping the backboard, Charles Dickerson. That'll put Dylan Swallow at the line to shoot. He misses the first. Swallow will get a second. He makes that one. 1 of 2 for Dylan Swallow on the technical. 12-point lead for the Warriors of Sophie B. Wright. Jamerson Walker to inbound as Marvin Nelson checks in. for the Warriors. Swallow, Moore. A lot of ball movement. Swallow comes down with the loose ball, pump fake. Inside, Doth puts up the shot. And we have a foul of the blocking variety. Kevin Johnson commits the foul. And Al Doth will go to the line. He knocks down one. Rebound, Johnson. Nelson drops it off, and it's stolen by Calhoun. Puts up the layup, no good. Walker with the rebound, out to Swallow. Calhoun, Moore, Jamison Walker shot, no good, follows it. Loose ball. A fake behind the back pass by Calhoun. And he misses the shot, but is fouled.
Do what you do best. That's all I want you to do, son. I don't want you doing that, Paul. You have a simple role. Do only what you do.
Calhoun misses on the first. Second one is good. Calhoun, 1 of 3 points in the game. 10-point lead for the Warriors over the Rebels. Long three-point shot off the mark by Antoine Oates. He pulled that trigger way too quick, I think, for Coach Bertrand. Drive, layup by Walker. He's got 4. And the Warrior lead is now 8. That ball stolen by Moore. Driving, stop, jump stop, shot, no good. Doth tries to follow, no good. Rebound, Philip Bertrand. Warriors pushing the issue the other way. Three-pointer, gonna catch the front rim. And we have a whistle. Swallow commits the foul. So it will be Warrior basketball underneath the basket. Baseline drive, fake, put up, and draws the foul. Kevin Johnson there puts it up, draws the foul. A.J. Taylor commits the foul, and Kevin Johnson will go to the line. Johnson good on the first. Misses the second. A.J. Taylor rebound going the other way. Calhoun, Swallow. That one stolen by Kevin Johnson. Lay in, falls. That's 11 for Johnson. Only player in double digits 26-15, the Warrior lead back to 11. Calhoun. Swallow. Jamerson Walker. High arching shot, no good. Rebound, Marvin Nelson. Jerome Perkins going to set the offense from the middle. Under 40 seconds to go, first half. Screen. Perkins kicks it out. That shot in and out, no good by Oates. And Coach Dunklin has called for one shot as the Rebels will hold. Kick out, A.J. Taylor. Swallow to Calhoun. Now we got to have a shot. That one's going to be knocked out of bounds. Down to 1.2 seconds, so whoever gets it needs to fling it right here. Inside for Taylor, turns around, long shot. It's good! At the buzzer, it is good! And we'll go to halftime with the Warriors up 26-18. Third quarter underway with that throw in. Calhoun, Walker, Swallow. Doff, stolen by Nelson. Shot up, no good, loose ball. Perkins comes out with it, and he'll reset the offense. Nelson from downtown airballs at Walker, rebound and off. Al Doth quickly the other way. Kicked out, Swallow. Rebound to Perkins. Knocked away to Johnson, and Perkins will set the offense. Drive through the lane, puts up the shot. Antoine Oates. He has 2 in each half now. 10-point lead for the Warriors. Calhoun between the legs, but Oates comes over. We have a foul. And Oates is the man that's called for the foul. Walker, Jamerson Walker to inbound. Roger Calhoun. They set the offense. Drive, scoop shot from A.J. Taylor. He's got 9 in the game. Good ball movement. And Kevin Johnson, who's leading all scorers with 13, gets a layup on that great ball movement by the Warriors. Quickly the other way, and Swallow loses the handle on that one. 10-point lead for the Warriors over the Rebels. Timeout, 30-20, Sophie B. Wright over Pearl River, 6:11 to go, third quarter. Charles Dickerson to inbound after the timeout. And Jerome Perkins brings it up. Dickerson. Johnson. Oates. They're passing it around. Dickerson gets it back again, driving. Dishes it down inside for Antoine Oates. And he's got 4 in this half. Good ball movement, but then a bad pass. Dickerson draws the foul. Charles Dickerson. A turnover results in a layup, and then compound that mistake with a foul. So Charles Dickerson will go to the line. And he splashes down. Three-point play, the old way, old school right there. A basket and one. 35-20, 15-point lead, Warriors. Stolen, another turnover. Dickerson pull up, dishes off, dished back. Nice give and go. And Dickerson has 5 points in the last 30 seconds. That one's stolen. Dickerson. Taylor knocks it away, otherwise he'd had 7. Follow up with Kevin Johnson. And it's 39-20. As about a 9-point explosion here. Three-pointer by Swallow is good. Kevin Johnson on the foul of Swallow, and he'll get a chance to add to it. Coach Bertrand subbing out everybody. Five out, 5 in for Coach Bertrand and the Warriors. Swallow a chance to complete a 4-point play, which he does. Lead back to 15 now for Sophie B. Wright. Steal, layup coming, and finished by Jamerson Walker. Good defense there. Another steal, this time Swallow the other way. In the lane, bringing it back out is A.J. Taylor. This is Swallow. Good for the basket. 39-28 now. A 19-point lead, back to 11. Step back jumper, air ball. Rebound, Al Doth. Both teams having little spurts here. Jumper from Taylor off the mark. Rebound, Walker puts it back, good. A 19-point lead has dissipated in the last 2 minutes. It went from a 19-point lead down to 9 for the Warriors. So Pearl River on a run right now. Long shot off the mark, but a rebound over there by Bertrand. Dishes it inside, stolen by Swallow, and I suspect we're going to see 5 new Warriors. In fact, they've walked back out. Swallow in the lane, put up jumper, no good. Doth tries to get it, doesn't. Bertrand with the rebound. That one knocked off of Taylor, right to the hoop by Linnell Johnson. That shot no good from Roten. And A.J. Taylor going to bring it up. Moore inside and hits the foot of Al Doth. And we have a stoppage in play on the turnover, and 5 out and 5 in. That's the starters back in now for Coach Bertrand. 2:17 to go, third quarter. 9-point lead for the Warriors. Dump it inside. Kevin Johnson, a little short on that one. Other way, Swallow. Fake left, fake right, draws a foul, going to the hoop. Swallow with a little fake in, fake out, lays it up, draws the foul. Swallow at the line is good. 10 points in the game for Swallow, 9 of them recently. Lead now 6 points for the Warriors. Dickerson off the mark. Johnson draws a foul. Jerome Perkins will inbound. Antoine Oates checks back in. Throw way back for Dickerson. Perkins, Nelson off the mark. Oh! Well, the iron was very kind on that one. Marvin Nelson was the recipient of a nice bounce there off the iron, off the glass. 41-33. Oh. That's going to be considered a three-point play. Three-point shot. That one's stolen by Perkins. Dished off inside, out of bounds. Walker inbound. Full court pressure now from the Warriors. Taylor splits it down. Didn't take advantage of the numbers right there, did Swallow. As Doth was open underneath and he had a 2-on-1. He brings it back out, resets though. Down to 45 seconds to go. Taylor kicks it out. Moore. Back to Taylor, baseline drive, puts up a shot, and we got a charge. Warriors inbound, 8-point lead. Under 30 seconds to go, third quarter. Pull-up jumper by Perkins is off the mark. Swallow, stand still, three-pointer is good. Dylan Swallow gets his team within 5 seconds to go. That one off the mark from Perkins, and that'll end the third quarter with Sophie B. Wright up 41-36 over Pearl River.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports. Fine arts. And learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Warriors to inbound to start the fourth quarter. The Rebels that quarter had 18 points, which is all they had in the first half. So a productive offensive quarter for them, and has got the game back to 5 points. That was 19 at one time. That shot is no good, but Kevin Johnson has been a beast on the board tonight for the Warriors, keeping it alive, and he draws the foul. The first one is good. He's 2 of 3. Misses on the second, but follows and gets 2. 7 points in the half, 18 in the game for Johnson. Full court pressure. Doth. Swallow in the lane, knocks it down. Dylan Swallow has found a shot here in the second half. He's got 15 in the game for Pearl River. Pump fake, 2-3 zone now by the Rebels. Warriors taking their time, good ball moment. That one off of Dickerson, and Walker will inbound to Swallow. 6-point game here in the fourth quarter, 6:45 to go. Walker. Calhoun, Roderick Calhoun up at the point right now. Jamerson Walker, good pressure by the Warriors. We're gonna have a timeout over here. 6:29 to go in this one. 44-38, Sophie B. Wright over Pearl River. Rebels inbound after the timeout. Calhoun. Drive, dish it off. Oh, we have a foul. Layup by Walker off the mark. Kicked it back out. Chandler Moore short on that one. Warriors holding the basketball right now against the zone. Coach Bertrand said, you know what? I need to talk to my boys about what we're going to do. 5:38 to go in this one. 44-38. Sophie B. Wright over Pearl River. Inbound. Full court pressure. Full man-to-man pressure. Dickerson drops one down. It's a two-pointer. Oh, foul. Gonna be 2. Kevin Johnson at the line. He's got 18 to lead all scorers. Catches the front end of the rim. Something tells me that Kevin Johnson is one of those players that Coach Bertrand was talking about pre-game that's coming out of football. You can see he kind of ran out of some gas. He makes that one. Obviously a good basketball player. Good play there. Almost came up with that steal. Full court pressure by the Warriors. This one. Pump fake, stolen, turnover. That putback attempt by Marvin Nelson is no good. That one rolls around and down. Nelson had 2 3-pointers in the first half, 8 points. He's got 3, make it 4. 12 points on the game, double figures for him. That one off of Swallow, out of bounds, 47-38. Warriors playing good ball movement, dump it down inside for the layup. Jerome Perkins gets on the score sheet. He's been directing the offense. He gets a basket. This one knocked away by Johnson. Kevin Johnson. Jamison Walker inbounds. Roger Calhoun. Calhoun drives, kicks it out. Walker, rainbow shot, no good. Rebound, Swallow. Baseline drive, dishes off Doth, and he's fouled. Inbound, right there. Kick back out. Doth loses the handle. 3:44 to go in this one. 49-38. Rebels have cooled down here in the fourth quarter. Have only managed 2 points. Perkins kicks it out. Dickerson off the mark. Put back by Nelson, no good. Loose ball, Dickerson runs it down. And we have a timeout by Coach Bertrand. 3:27 to go in this one. Sophie B. Wright, 51, Pearl River, 38. Warriors to inbound. Johnson, back out to Oates. Oates, man-on-man, Walker, loses the handle. Kicks it back out to Perkins. Johnson, Oates driving baseline. It falls. That ball was blocked into the net. Got blocked up and it ended up coming down through the net. Doth almost walks. Moore. Doth inside, blocked, oh, and a foul on Johnson. Kevin Johnson. Kevin Johnson with 19, and that foul, 53-38. Lead back to 15. Doth cuts it to 14. 2 for 3 from the line for Al Doth this evening. Misses on the second one. 2 for 4. 4 points. 2:44 to go. Dickerson. Nelson. In and out, no good. Rebound, Walker. Doth, stolen by Kevin Johnson, dishes it off. Dickerson gets the easy basket. 11 for Dickerson. 3 in double figures now for the Warriors. Turnaround jump shot, no good. Rebound, Kevin Johnson. I think I've said that a few times tonight. Kevin Johnson. Rebound, points. Shot up and good from Dickerson. He's got 14. Kick it out. That's off of Doth. Another turnover. Would not like to see those stats turnover-wise for the Rebels. Warriors going to hold the ball unless they get that. A layup. 21 now for Johnson. Swallow drops a 3, his third 3. This one up the court. Dickerson takes it back, then drives, lays up a left-handed shot, no good. Nelson shot, good. 14 for Nelson, 21 for Johnson, and 14 for Dickerson. They'll all exit with 44.9 seconds to go. Fourth quarter, 61-42 now. Pull up, shot off the glass by Moore. And we're down under 30 seconds now to go in this one. The Warriors are going to take away their first win of the season, and the Rebels will have a lot to look at and learn from. That shot off the mark, but they have a lot that was good too, so a lot of work to be done by both teams. That one up court, pull up jumper off the mark. Loose ball, Pearl River, and that'll end it. 61-44. Sophie B. Wright, and they were right tonight over the Pearl River Rebels. We'd like to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foles, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, our cameraman tonight, Dave the Rave Williams. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. You are now leaving the prep zone.